Hey guys, welcome back to another tea time video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, food, travel, and lifestyle videos. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any videos I post on the channel. If you've noticed, a lot of times in my tea time videos, there's always a story surrounding how I came about knowing about a certain type of tea, right? Alright, so hear this one now. So last week Friday, I was on my way home and I was stuck in traffic in St. Catherine. And you know, a lot of times when you're in traffic, you tend to see things which you don't normally see on a day-to-day basis when you're driving past a certain place swiftly, right? If that happened to you, let me know, because I can't be alone always stuck in a traffic and just observe and I take a little time I drive through. So as I said, I was in traffic and I saw a man selling orange peel. So I was saying to myself, orange peel? Anyway, I didn't question it much, but it so happened that the Saturday when I went to see a friend of mine, I saw orange peel in her kitchen. So I said to her, what are you going to use the orange peel to do? She said she used it to make tea. And I said, this come like sign, man. Because I saw it the Friday, I ended up seeing it the Saturday. So I decided that I'm going to make this tea for the first time and share the benefits with you. If I didn't make mention of a benefit that orange peel tea is known to have, please, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video so that others can know about No Mediocre 876. So without further ado guys, let me make this tea now and talk about the benefits. What I did was to leave it outside and allow it to dry. So first thing that we're going to do guys is to wash our orange peel thoroughly.
So let's look at some of the perceived benefits from drinking orange peel tea. Number 1, supports healthy heart. Orange peels contain hesperidin, a flavonoid that maintains blood pressure and cholesterol. The polymethoxylated flavones found in orange peel also helps lower cholesterol. Number 2, prevent allergies. Histamines are the chemicals that are responsible for allergic reactions. Orange peels contain compounds that can help prevent histamine release. Number 3, may prevent cancer. Orange peels help slow the growth of cancer cells. In fact, orange peels can reduce the number of squamous cell carcinoma, a fatal type of skin cancer. Number 4, reduce weight. Orange peels help increase your metabolism and burn fat from your body. Many medical experts recommend orange peels as a cure for weight loss. Number 5, better digestion. Orange peels have anti-inflammatory properties that help treat many digestions and gastrointestinal problems such as diarrhea, heartburn, and acidity.
Alright, so just cover the pot and allow it to boil. It's boiling and we're going to add our orange peel to the boiling water. Just break in small pieces. That's it right there.
Number 6, cure hangover. Did you drink a bit too much? Well, orange peel is one of the best things that can cure a hangover.
add our tea to our teapot.
Number 7. Treats bad breath. Orange peels can help fight cavities and keep your breath fresh. Number 8. Fights infection, cold and flu. Orange peels are rich in vitamin C and A. This makes orange peels a natural antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and fight off germs and viruses. Number 9. Treats skin problems. Orange peels help cure multiple skin problems such as blackheads, dead cells, acne, dark circles, and dry skin. It also helps brighten your skin.
Sweeten our tea.
And finally, number 10. Cures asthma. Orange peels also help remove phlegm and hence cures asthma.
So there you have it, guys. Our orange peel tea is served. Cheers. Now, let me take the first sip and tell you what I think about it. I love it. And the fragrance of it, oh my God. I love the fragrance of this tea, trust me. So guys, if you're gonna try this tea, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for the support as always, guys. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Also remember, guys, you are in charge of your health. See you on the next video.